Laurie and I are here at Major's RV in Bourne, Massachusetts to have our Winegard ConnecT T2 installed on our Lance trailer. Major's RV was started in 1974 by David's father, 45 years ago. The unique thing about Major's RV is they don't sell RVs. They specialize in service and they do it quickly and correctly. And they were also highly recommended by Winegard. What happens when you put a couple of gals in an RV parts store? They go shopping. Now it's time to get our product installed. We're not great do-it-yourselfers yet. We're getting there, we're trying. But this particular installation involves a roof and holes.
And holes on the roof, yep. So we're going to be doing the installation today for Michelle. And what we're going to do is install the Winegard 2.0 so we can have improved Wi-Fi and cellular reception. We're going to be mounting it up on the roof. So we're going to have holes through. We're going to show you how to get that sealed properly. It is all low voltage, 12 volts, so it's nice and safe. We're going to get it properly installed and mounted for you. So we're going to have a great time camping.
So it makes us feel good to leave it in the hands of the expert.
Yes. This is our Winegard 2.0 that we're going to be installing today. We've already discussed with our customer where we're going to be placing this. This is the unit that's going to go up on the roof. So I'm going to go up on the roof right now and place it in a nice flat position that we've already scoped out so there's no wires underneath. And we've located where we're going to come through our roof to the inside for our 12-volt switch and pick up our 12-volt power. We've finished our installation of our Winegard 2.0 Wi-Fi and cellular extender with there. So I'm going to go with Michelle, okay, how to operate the Winegard 2.0 and see if we can get us hooked up into our local Wi-Fi that we have here in the building. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the Winegard ConnecT app, either for your iPhone or for your Samsung device. So now we're going to turn on our Winegard 2.0.
Okay.
So with our brand new switch that Al installed for us, so if you want to step in and just turn that switch right there on. Bingo. Okay, and now we can step back outside. And now we've turned on the Winegard, and it's going to take it just about a minute for it to initialize itself and start broadcasting a signal. And this device will show up now on the Winegard ConnecT app. This down below now is setting showing the different networks. Okay, so rear building we have 98%.
Oh, all right.
This one. So like when you get to Bayview, what you do in Bayview is you go right to there, pick that scan for Wi-Fi. Then you're going to pick up the Bayview campground one. And it's going to pop up, and you're going to choose it, and it's going to ask you for their password. That if anyone else wants to hook into your device, okay, they don't download the Winegard app. All they do is they're going to open up, search for Wi-Fi's. They're going to see your network, with each network, okay, and they're going to log just into that.
If they have the password.
If they have the password, yes,
okay.
yes, yeah. There you go.
All right.
So they don't do any of this. You've connected that Winegard device to the internet now through our network, okay? And the nice thing about it is once your friends are all logged into the Winegard things, okay? Even when you change campgrounds, you're going to change what network that logs into, but they're always just logging into this.
I got it.
Okay? So they never, once their phones are set to log into this,
Yeah.
they don't know you're changing campgrounds.
Right.
Okay, they're not going to Bayview, things like that. They're just going for the Lamiche network. Okay, the way to think of it, the Lamiche network is changing where it's going to, but they're just going to it, which is nice.
I become the home base.
Yeah.
Well, David, I'm really glad we didn't take this on ourselves. Thank you so much
Oh,
for
you're very welcome.
the installation, the app work.
Yes. From now on, you're going to have a nice, easy connection to do to the Winegard 2.0 and picking up the campsite Wi-Fi signals, so you can have internet and everything else in your camping
So now
experience.
we get to go back to the campground down the street, and I guess I have no excuse but to work, right?
I guess so. Sure. You get to go to the campsite, and I've got to go to work.
Thank you, David.
Oh, great to have you down,
Pleasure.
Michelle. Yep, fun time.